Did you know that snoring could be a sign that you have low testosterone? What's happening is that when you're snoring, oftentimes you have something called sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is when you're not able to continuously breathe during sleep. And so you literally stop breathing sometimes hundreds of times a minute while sleeping. And one of the side effects of this, one of the detrimental things that happens, is that it can affect your hormone production. In particular, for guys, it can lower your testosterone. So if you're dealing with low testosterone, one of the things you want to have checked is to have a sleep study done. And if you have sleep apnea, even if mild, you want to get that corrected, not just for testosterone, but for lots of aspects of overall good health as well. You have to address sleep apnea.